everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, hi, my name is Bobby. Welcome. Do me a favor, if you are new, go ahead and go down below and hit that subscribe button and ignore my ratchet nails. Okay. So today we're doing something a little bit different. Today I'm going to take you through all of my filming setup, the equipment that I use, the past equipment that I used, and totally just show you everything that I have going on from a filming standpoint. So if you guys are ready to see my filming setup, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I think that let's go ahead and start my video about my filming setup and everything like that right now. So basically this is my background. See, behind my background and then with my background. Okay, I always have a whole bunch of crap. This is a next project, and this is also some more stuff for my next project on my desk. Over here is where I edit. I always have like the makeup items, so just in case if I don't forget anything. Computer stuff, blah 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 over there. Here creatively, here is my Instagram mirror. Hi, this is me. I'm fully standing. You guys never get to see me fully standing actually. And so I have a cute Instagram picture. If I moved this out of the way, I could have just this shelf right here, which I'm working on getting a different shelf. I just haven't really found one that I really love. But it has lotions and normally they're matching smell goods. I actually really do love photography. So I have an old Polaroid camera down here. I have an old school like zoom out, need the cover thing kind of camera over there. And then this is just a ceramic camera. Back to the setup here though. That's kind of more beauty room stuff, but my filming setup is basically ran fully by these lights that make me look amazing. So I sit normally on this little stool right here, and I have these lights. These lights come from Giant Umbrella Lights, and I normally just have these and those on. I have like one little regular bulb, and then I have these giant bulbs on, and that's normally enough. Just for aesthetic purposes, since it was going to be in a video, I kind of screwed those in, but normally I don't even have those. Also, normally this is how my beauty desk is absolutely normally. So this is my first camera I ever got. It is a Nikon Coolpix L820, and I like it. It zoomed in amazing. It has a good lens on it, all that. Few things that I don't like about it is, let me open it up and show you guys that this takes AA batteries, 4 AA batteries, and I got rechargeable ones, but that's just like annoying to change out, to be honest. And it has a viewfinder, but it doesn't have a flip around viewfinder, so I can't see myself. I was constantly getting out of frame. Now if you're filming on a phone, you can always just set that in front of you. Definitely don't need a camera like this at all, but that's just what I have. But here, one year I decided to upgrade myself with my income tax monies, and I got a Canon Powershot SX30. And this is amazing. This is a great camera. I actually love it to pieces. And it does have the flip around viewfinder. So all the times that you guys see me not looking at you right here, I am looking to make sure I am in frame for you guys, if that makes any sense. Hi. And this is actually separate. This right here is separate. It's I'll go ahead and get the name in it right here. It's Platinum PT TTRP22. It's just a little extended tripod that sits on your tabletop. I do not have one of the tripods that stand on the ground. One day I'll get one of those, but for now I have this and it works perfectly fine. To take thumbnail pictures, for instance, I take my little mirror that I normally need for makeup looks off of there. I go ahead and also take off my tripod, so then I have a bunch of space here. These are receipts, just in case I need to tell you guys something, like how much something costs. So then I normally have this amount of space right here, right? And then I take my handy dandy little shelf that I have here, that I have this baby little tripod right here, and I always stick it inside right here, and then I put my phone inside here, landscape wise, like it is right now, because if you put it up right side up, it'll be vertical, which is a great selfie. It'll go on Instagram well, but it won't show up as a video or for a thumbnail really well, so I always put it in landscape mode. This is landscape mode, aka sideways. So I always put my phone just in here, and then I make it look right for the right angle, because see, if I'm right here, then I got to make sure that I'm in, you know, frame and stuff like that. And then I always have my handy dandy little shutter remote, basically, and I use the shutter remote through Bluetooth. I can start and stop video. I can also just click it and it'll take the picture, or I can set it to a timer and then that can also take a picture. So that basically is a really quick video for my setup. Okay guys, so that is my filming setup. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it informative, maybe found some things that you're like, oh, I didn't know I might need that, or I might want that, so let me go ahead and get that or something. And if it didn't help you guys, or if you guys do have any questions, anything like that, go ahead and leave all of your questions in the comment sections down below. I'll definitely answer any or all of your questions to the best of my ability, and I'm going to try really, really hard to find the links to all of the stuff that I have and put them in the description box below for you guys, because I know that shopping around and finding this and that always helps me whenever I'm looking for certain equipment, for certain things. Definitely for that gray shelf. I got that when I was in high school, y'all, and it's been painted a couple times. Like, I'm not gonna be able to like link that below. The one that I have holds my like thumbnail picture taker kind of thing. That whole setup, I'm not gonna be able to show that for you guys. But anyways, other than that, I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.